Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a transparent PNG using these apps on your computer. So in here, I've already opened my browser on my computer and I can just go to this page pngmaker.ai, click on enter. So if you go to this page, you can see that you can easily make a PNG from text in seconds. So for example here, you can just click on this box right here to put the text that you want to create as PNG. Okay, for example, I'm going to just write okay, a white cat, for example. Just click on generate after that and just wait until the PNG maker make the PNG image. So here you can change select the aspect ratio and also the number of image. After that you can just click on generate. You can see this is the progress waiting to start. Just wait until the image is generated. Okay, so now the result came out. You can just scroll down to see the other result if you choose more than one image in here. So what you need to do is just click on preview or right click on it. Let's click on preview first. And here you can just download this image. So just like that, the image has been created. You can just download it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.